I'm going to show you guys how to do a Venn diagram, and we're going to be doing a Venn diagram comparing and contrasting an animal cell with a plant cell. Right here we have our vocabulary. You can't really see it on the board very well, but you guys should have a list that you guys could download, or else that I emailed to you. And the first list we have here, we have cell wall, we have cell membrane, we have nucleus, cytoplasm, endoplasmic reticulum, we have ribosome, we have cytoskeleton, chloroplast. We have lysosome that are common, lysosomes that are uncommon. We have centrioles, we have small vacuoles, we have large vacuoles, we have mitochondria, and we have the Golgi apparatus. Now, what we're going to do here is what a Venn diagram is it kind of compares and contrasts two things that show what they have different and what they have similar. So right here, we're going to have our differences. They're going to be in this big portion right here. These are our differences, and the similarity of what they both have in common are going to lie right here in the middle. So we're going to fill this out. First, talk about an animal cell and a plant cell. We're going to look at these and use these vocab words up here and fill in this Venn diagram. So the first thing we look at is we're going to look at an animal cell. Some things that are specific with an animal cell than a plant cell is the first thing is the animal cell has a small vacuole. They have really small vacuoles. So we're going to put small vacuole over here. And that being said, the animal cell, small vacuole, the plant cell has a large vacuole. And so we're going to put large vacuole over here in the plant cell portion. Okay, next thing we have here is that animal cells have centrioles. There's centrioles right here. Centrioles actually, if you guys remember my diagram, they're these little things right here. These are the centrioles. If you look at my diagram, it's this little spiral looking thing that shoots out little spindles out of there. Next thing we have is we have common lysosomes. Common lysosomes. Those are the common ones. Okay? A plant cell has a cell wall. An animal cell does not have a cell wall. Okay? Plant cell also has lysosomes, but they're very uncommon, meaning there's not that many of them, and so forth. So we have these things differentiated, what a animal cell has and what a plant cell has. Now we want to see what they actually have in common. What do they have that's in common? Well, both have a cell membrane. Even though the plant cell has a cell wall, it also has a cell membrane. Okay. It has a nucleus. They both have nucleus. They both have cytoplasm. They both have an endoplasmic reticulum, or we just call it ER. We'll just do that because your vocab word's up here. They both have ribosomes because they make proteins. And they have a cytoskeleton. We're running out of room here. Cytoskeleton, and they have mitochondria. One thing that an animal cell has, or an animal cell lacks, but a plant cell has, is a chloroplast. And that was our last word right here. So these are your vocab words. You guys definitely need to look those up, write those words down, make sure that they are a part of your vocabulary, that you're studying those. And then this is basically how you do a Venn diagram by compare and contrast. You have what you have in common right here, what you have different right here, and this is just a common Venn diagram. You just draw two circles and they overlap each other. All right, so I hope you guys find this useful. I'm going to be making more videos like this with different graphic organizers, and I hope you guys and I wish you luck in your studies. Thank you.